Abdurrahman. We have 3 minutes left.
No, I think 7 today. We started a bit late.
So late. Okay, that's good.
Surah, I have a question from Surah chapter 9, verse 37.
This is chapter 9, verse 37, Surah Tawbah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنما النسي زيادة في الكفر يضل به الذين كفروا يحلونه عاما ويحرمونه عاما ليواطئوا عدة ما حرم الله فيحلوا ما حرم الله زين لهم سوء أعمالهم والله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين. The translation is, surely the postponement of a sacred month is an addition to disbelief. Those who disbelieve are led astray thereby. They allow it 1 year and forbid it another year, and they may agree in the number of the months which Allah has made sacred, and thus may make lawful what Allah has forbidden. The evil of these deeds is made to seem fair to them, and Allah guides not the disbelieving people.
Huzur, could you kindly explain to us the meaning of Nasee and what is the relation between Nasee and Kufr?
You see, this reminds one of Sabbath. Sabbath was a day when certain activities were forbidden. So instead of one Sabbath for us, we have 4 months, sacred months, in which there should be no infights, no activities which can disturb peace in any manner of speaking. They are in fact intended to give protection to the Hajis who come and go, and to make the entire area peaceful during a certain months, during which not only the Hajis come for Hajj, but also there is one month which has the same relationship but is not connected with this. The 4 months are not connected, are they?
Yes, no.
No, they're not connected. But anyway, during these 4 months, normal activities of life is not normally permitted. There are extra conditions laid on them. So if you have to fight with some tribe, because it, so for instance, the fight is imposed on you, to initiate an unjust fight is forbidden at all times. But even if you are justified, it's better for you to postpone this until such months when you return to normalcy. This was the purpose of the 4 sacred months. But kuffar could not wait for that. They were so impatient with evils that even the evil practices they could not postpone for long. So they invented a way out of this problem. They said, all right, if we want to attack some tribe today, this month, let us postpone the month itself for so many days. An extremely stupid idea. But just to achieve their purpose, they devised such means which are absolutely deprived of sense. So they said, all right, this time we have to rob that tribe or those such people. Some caravan is coming and we want to rob, but the month is sacred. What can we do about it? No problem, would say the leader. Postpone this month by 20 days or 30 days and we'll return to that later on. So the order of months was changed, the days were subtracted sometimes added. And all that mathematics went on just to escape the responsibilities imposed by God. This is what the Nasee was all about. Right? So in the end they did the subtraction and addition. If a month was advanced and brought closer, then the previous month would be shortened naturally. So they added that number later on at the end of the year. And if it was the other way around, then of course they subtracted the addition. Right?
يقول حضرتهم أنهم كانوا يضيفون أرقام الآيات أو ينقصون حسب الضرورة، أي إذا كانوا في بداية هذه الفترة كانوا ينقصون الأيام، وإذا كانوا في نهاية هذه الشهر الحرم هذه كانوا يضيفون عليها كي يخرجوا من تلك الفترة. شكرا على حسن المتابعة، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.